Hello everyone, welcome to Analytics with Asmi. Take a look at this interesting line and column chart. Here I have few bars for every single month on x-axis and a revenue on a y-axis along with the target revenue which is 100k. Here I have highlighted values below the target in both column and line chart by color formatting. How did I do that? And what technique I have used here? We will see in this video. So stay tuned till the end of this video. Before moving ahead, if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe the channel and hit the like button to stay updated for upcoming videos. I have used here three simple steps to create this visual. First is to create three measures. So I have created here three measures. One is for total revenue, second is for target revenue, and third measure is for color formatting. Then second step is to draw a target line, which is a constant line which we will create by using an analytical tab. And the final step is conditional formatting. So we will see step by step. Now I have opened my PowerBI desktop and here I have imported one supermarket sales data which I had. Here you can see there are near about 20 columns. So first step we are going to do is to calculate a total revenue. So for calculating the total revenue, we need two columns, which is unit price and quantity. So we will multiply these two columns and we'll get the total revenue. So let's start with creating a measure. So we'll create a measure which is total revenue. So we'll write total revenue is equal to, press Ctrl Enter for the second row, and we will use the SumX function here as we are multiplying the two columns. SumX. Here the formula is table and expression. So the table is supermarket. So we'll take this supermarket and we'll take the expression which is unit price into quantity. Okay, and bracket complete. So this is our formula for the total revenue. Let's zoom it so that you will see it properly. Here you can see the formula is total revenue is equal to SumX function. Why we are using SumX function? Because we don't have a total sum column present in the data set. We have two columns which is unit price and quantity. So we need to calculate the total. That's why we are using a SumX formula here. So SumX and the formula is table and expression. So table is supermarket sale and comma, then expression is unit price column into quantity, bracket complete. So this is the first measure which is total revenue. The second measure we are going to create is monthly target. Okay, so we'll write monthly target. Monthly target is equal to, which is given by the company, is 100,000. 100,000. So this is our monthly target. Press enter. Done. Now last measure what we are going to create today is for color format. We are going to use our measure 1 which is total revenue and measure 2 which is monthly target for calculating this third measure. This is the advantage of using the measure, as we can use these measures for calculating the other measures. Now let's create our measure. For that you have to go to home and create a new measure. Let's zoom it little bit. Okay, here we will write color format. Format is equal to, now here we are going to create a variable. So press shift enter for the second row. We will write first variable as var1 is equal to, we'll take our first measure here. So first measure was total revenue. Okay, So we'll take this total revenue, then shift enter, then our second variable is var2 is equal to our second measure, which was monthly target. Okay, monthly target. Okay, then shift enter, next row, then variable result okay, is equal to shift enter. Now here the function what we are going to use here is switch. Switch function is used to change the color. Okay, we will use here the condition. Okay, so we'll write the switch function, switch, and the formula is expression value, and we have to write the condition. So here we will write true. We will write here true. Okay, comma, then next line, shift enter, then here we are going to write the condition. So the condition is var1, okay, if var1 is greater than var2. Okay, var2 means if our total revenue is greater than the monthly target, then we should get a green color. So for that we have to write the color code, and the color code for green is hash 24C10F, comma, this is a color code for a green color. Then shift enter, and second condition, if var1 is less than var2, means if the total revenue is less than, if total revenue is less than our monthly target, then we should get a red color. So for red color we have color code FE 4 times 0, that's it. Okay, and bracket complete, and again shift enter, then we have to write the return, and shift enter, and finally we have to write the result. Okay, result. So this is our formula. So what formula we have used for color formatting? Color format is equal to, we have created two variables. One variable is for total revenue, second variable is for monthly target. Then by using the switch we have put the condition. So if the monthly total revenue is greater than the monthly target, then we should get the green color, and if the total revenue is less than monthly target, then we should get a red color, and finally we return it as a result. This is our third measure, which is for color format. Okay, then press enter. Now we have completed our first step, which is creating a measure. Now second step was to create a target line. So before that we will create our visual. So we'll create our column chart. Okay, and in column chart we will take here the date in the x-axis, and here we will, and on the y-axis we will take a total revenue. Okay, yes, now we don't want here date, we just want here month. Okay, we don't even want year. Okay, so this is our visual. Okay, now let's format it little bit. So for that what we will do, we'll go to the format. Here in the general we will first change the title as total revenue by month, it's correct. So we will just increase little font. Okay, we'll make the font semi-bold, and the text color we will make white, and we'll put it in the center. And after that, in effects, we'll change the background color to the black. Okay, then we'll keep the transparency like that. Visual will show the visual border, and we'll take a rounded corner like this, and we'll make a shadow. We'll keep a shadow as white. Okay, that's it. Okay, then in the visual, on the x-axis, we will increase little font. We'll make font color as white. Okay, we'll make it little bold, right? And the title, for title also will increase the size, make it bold, and we'll again make it white. Okay, no, we have to make the color as dark blue here. Yes, and for the y-axis again we have to do same. We have to change the color of a font, and we'll make white, right? And for title also we have to change the title color as dark blue. Okay, we'll increase the size and make it bold. Yeah, then we will remove the grid lines. Okay, then we have to give the data labels on, and data labels also we have to change the color of the values with white color. Okay, little bold, and we will put this in the center like that. Okay, that's it. Background is off, rest is fine. Okay, so we are done with the formatting. Now we will add the target line here. Okay, for that what you have to do, you have to go to this analytical tab. Here in the constant line, here you write add line, and here you write target revenue, target revenue. Okay, you write data label on line, and here you have to go to the function. Here you have to go field value, and here you have to take the our measure. What was our measure? Monthly target, yes, and press OK. And you have to change the color of this line as right. And for labeling, we want, instead of display units, we want here data. We don't want data value. Instead of that, we'll put the name. Okay, that's why here we came as a target revenue, and we'll change the color of that target revenue as white. Okay, done. So this is step 2, which is done. We have created a constant line, which is a target line. Now third step is doing a conditional formatting. Okay, now for conditional formatting, what we have to do, we have to again go to this format, and here in the visual, here you go to the columns, and in columns colors, here you can see the fx function. Again go here, and in the format style you again go to the field value, and here you select our color format measure, which is this. Okay, we have created this third measure, which is a color format. Select this and press OK. Once you do this, then you can see we are getting a color format. So the month which is below the target is showing in red color, and the month which is above the target line is in green color. Okay, so our visual is ready for the column chart. Now same we have to create it for the line chart. So what we will do, we will do just a copy paste, Control C, Control V. Okay, we'll create this. Okay, we will shift this here and we'll take it upward like this. Okay, and this is our second column chart, and what we will do, we will go to the visual, build visual here, and we will convert this into a line chart like that. Okay, this is done. So we have created these two visuals, which is one is column chart and this is second is a line chart, and here also we are getting the target revenue and with line chart. So here you can see the February is not reaching our target, that's why it's in red color. Okay, and these January and March, which is above our target revenue, that's why it's in green color. So we have created our visual. So we have created our visual by highlighting a values below the target by color formatting in just 3 easy steps. What was the 3 easy steps? First was to create a measure, then to create a target line, and then use a conditional formatting. Okay, hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more such videos. Thank you for watching.